Let's take two marketers and give them a name. Here's Chris and here's Sue. Chris is starting out and he knows he needs to build an email list so he has an audience to sell a range of products to. He spends a whole week building his list using free traffic methods and now has 1,000 subscribers. Out of those 1,000 subscribers, he can get 300 clicks within 24 hours when he sends out a promotion. Chris is happy with the results and will continue building his list, but he wants to build it faster, so he decides to trade his traffic with other willing marketers. Sue is also looking to build her list. However, she has over 36,000 subscribers on the list and can send over 1,000 clicks within 24 hours, so it wouldn't be fair for Sue to trade all her subscribers with Chris. However, what she can do is promote to a segment of a list to match Chris's 300 clicks. So here's how it works. Chris has a sign-up page which offers a free gift such as a report or a video in exchange for an email address. Sue also has her own sign-up page which offers a free gift as well. Chris gives a copy of his swipe email to Sue, while Sue gives a copy of her swipe email to Chris. They both agree to set a time and date to send out the email promotion at the same time. Chris sends out the email to his list to promote Sue's sign-up page. At the same time, Sue sends out an email to a segment of her list to promote Chris's sign-up page. They both receive 300 visitors from each other's promotion. Both sign-up pages convert at 33%. Chris gains 100 new subscribers and Sue gains 100 new subscribers. So far, so good. However, Chris and Sue also have their own sales funnel with a product to sell immediately after the sign-up. So Chris's new subscribers go through his sales funnel and are redirected to his sales page. Sue's new subscribers also go through her sales funnel and are redirected to her sales page. With all things being equal, both sales pages convert at 1%, so Chris makes one sale and Sue makes one sale. Overall, this was a very successful ad swap. Both gained 100 new subscribers and both made a sale. All of this without having to use traditional traffic methods or spend a cent on advertising. The best part is Chris can continue to repeat this process with as many marketers as he wants. As his list grows, he can start trading even more traffic in one transaction, which leads to even more subscribers and more sales. But what about his subscribers? Does that mean they'll be signed up to many marketers' lists? Yes, they will. So here are two ways around this. To maintain the quality of your list, you can always use traditional traffic methods like blogging, article marketing, video marketing, social media marketing, and so on to gather fresh new leads. And then you can come back and do more ad swaps. Or you can buy traffic directly from other marketers without having to trade your email list. This is known as solo ads, which we'll cover in another lesson. So the key points in this video is to set up your sign-up page as soon as possible. Offer a free gift in exchange for an email address. Have a low-cost offer in place immediately after sign-up to start making sales. Don't wait until you've collected tens of thousands of subscribers. Make sales as you grow. Remember to use free traffic methods first to build your list, such as blogging, video, article, forum marketing, social media marketing, and so on. Get enough subscribers so you can generate at least 100 clicks with every email you send out. So then you can find other marketers who are on your level who are willing to trade with you. Keep doing ad swaps with other marketers and you'll build your list into their tens of thousands in no time, which will put you in a very good position to promote new products. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.